Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Acer Nitro 5 Gaming Laptop. Soar to new gaming heights anytime, anywhere with the Nitro 5. This ultra-cool machine is sure to catch your eye with its sleek, mobile design, 15.6 Full HD IPS display, and a wide range of gaming-rich features to put you in total command of the action. Leveraging the power and speed of its 9th Gen Intel Core processor and high-performance NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics. That's driven by NVIDIA Turing architecture. With a killer combination of smart features, the Intel Core i7 processor is devastatingly powerful. Commands are just a touch away with the dedicated Nitro Sense key, while the WASD and arrow keys are highlighted for easy location. Enjoy the tactile feel of keys with a travel distance of 1.6 mm. Add some excitement to your gaming and play in dimly lit environments with the red backlit keyboard. Better audio delivers a competitive edge as well as a more immersive experience. Invigorate your gaming and enjoy crushing audio as Waves Max Audio meets Acer True Harmony. Get intelligent bass, dialogue, and volume enhancement with Waves Max Audio and deeper, richer sounds with Acer True Harmony. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. MSI GL65 Leopard 10 SFK 062 15.6. The MSI GL65 Leopard 10 SFK 062 is reasonably priced, but MSI fitted much more value into its high-power gaming laptop than ever before. If you happen to spend the money required, take comfort in the fact that you're taking home a gaming package with unmatched gaming and productivity muscle. While thin and light gaming laptops are the top favorites these days, there's still a market for the mid-sized desktop replacements of yore. And the MSI GL65 Leopard 10 SFK 062 uses that premise to take things to the next level. MSI spearheads both the thin and lightweight gaming environment in the MSI Stealth line, but with the Leopard 10 SFK 062, they have allowed it to carry some weight to accommodate more gaming power and gaming swag than anyone could possibly handle. It brings immense power in an understated yet attractive package unlike never before, particularly the per-key RGB lit SteelSeries keyboard, a 144Hz IPS display, high-res audio, NVIDIA GTX 2070 GPU, and of course, a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 10750H processor. This is a strong configuration that will see you through high-end gaming as well as intensive productivity work without breaking your bank. The GL65 Leopard shares its basic design with MSI pricier GS75 Stealth, only that our review unit comes with a few curves on the lid. The two even share dimensions, at 1.1 x 14.1 x 9.8 inches. Though not as slim as the ASUS Zephyrus or the Razer Blade 15, this notebook is hardly chunky. For the display bezels, they come like this as they get. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. ASUS ROG Zephyrus S GX701 Gaming Laptop 17.3. Welcome to T3's official ASUS ROG Zephyrus S GX701 review. Over the past couple of weeks, I've been putting this powerful new gaming laptop through its paces to see how it performs, and what follows is our detailed take on the system. And being totally honest, I entered into conducting this review with some apprehension. That's because last year the ASUS ROG Zephyrus GX501 absolutely blew me away here at T3, with the gaming laptop not only getting a maximum score of 5 stars on review, but it also then sitting top of our prestigious Best Gaming Laptops guide for the rest of the year, and also winning the very competitive Best Gaming Laptop prize at the T3 Awards. As such, the GX701 had a very tough act to follow, And I've seen enough tech iterations in the past to know that it is never a foregone conclusion the maker will be able to replicate the same success with a new device. For those who want an immediate takeaway from this ASUS ROG Zephyrus S GX701 review, though then you can make a sacrifice to the gaming gods as ASUS has managed here, through a balshy double-downing on last year's system, to produce a system that delivers a best-in-class portable PC gaming experience to its user. I can quite honestly say that the portable gaming power on offer in the GX701 is unlike anything else I've ever tested here at T3.com and means that as a gamer you can approach even the most demanding AAA PC games with ironclad confidence that your system will not only run it, but run it to its absolute best in terms of settings. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. ROG Strix G17 Gaming Laptop. The ROG Strix G17 G713 series succeeds last year's G712 series by bumping off Intel for AMD and upgrading most SKU to GeForce Ampere graphics. Configurable options are extensive with no less than 16 individual SKU, all detailed here on ASUS official product page. Options are subsequently massive, ranging from the Zen 2 Ryzen 7 4800H to the Zen 3 Ryzen 9 5900HX CPU and 65W GeForce GTX 1650 graphics up to the 130W GeForce RTX 3070. Display options also range wildly from the base 144Hz FHD panel to 165Hz QHD or 300Hz FHD with fuller colors. Even battery capacities, thicknesses, and AC adapters are different depending on the graphics. Our test unit today is a mid-range SKU equipped with the Ryzen 7 5800H CPU, 95W RTX 3050 Ti GPU, and 144Hz FHD display. Competitors in this space include other entry-level to mid-range 17.3-inch gaming laptops like the MSI Katana GF76, Acer Nitro 5, Dell G Series, or Lenovo Legion 5. It can be difficult to tell apart all the different ROG Strix models since they share the same visual design. The extended jet engine rear, large visible hinges, thick chin bezel, slightly rubberized keyboard deck, and lack of an integrated webcam are all unchanged from previous generations. The main differences are down to styling, as certain parts of the chassis are now flatter and smoother for a sleeker look. The right edge and outer lid, for example, are embellished with a new ROG pattern that isn't present on older models. Chassis rigidity hasn't improved from last year's G712. It is, however, still stronger than the MSI GF or GP series, especially when it comes to the hinges. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Acer Predator Triton 500 Thin and Light Gaming Laptop. The Predator Triton 500 is no joke when it comes to serious gaming and epic performance. This frost-forged beast of a machine utilizes a powerful 8th Gen Intel Core i7 6-core processor with overclockable NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics. Revolutionary new 4th Gen all-metal Aero Blade 3D fan with 5 copper heat pipes. Maximize performance and keep your RAID extra cool under pressure, while an ultra-responsive mechanical keyboard delivers a gaming experience that's second to none. With a killer combination of smart features, the Intel Core i7 processor is devastatingly powerful. Enjoy smooth, tear-free gameplay at a refresh rate of 144 Hz and 3 ms overdrive response time for the best end-to-end gaming experience. The ultimate gaming display for enthusiast gamers. Predator Sense is the ultimate tool to control and customize your gaming experience from one place. Just tap the Predator Sense key and take command over lighting, fan speed, overclocking, game profiles, and more. What else could you ask for? With Killer Double Shot Pro, choose which applications take up precious bandwidth. Bandwidth prioritization is user-controlled in the control center. This ultimate gaming platform is VR-ready. Just plug in a VR headset and step into a new world. Enhance and empower what you hear. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.